All right, mate. So near USD here, it is important to see this. I mean, it's up 18% today. I don't really like buying it today, but the fact that it is still green on a 2 week, green on the week, green on the 3 day, green on the daily, you know, so you have to think that it's a potential moon coin, right? It's rounding back up and it held here throughout the dip. So yes, you do have to, well, think that this could be a moon coin. Like if the market recovers tomorrow, then this coin is likely to do something like this. So I would not buy it today. This look at the volume on this. Sometimes on this high volume, you can actually get a bit of a short back down. So you need to be careful of that. Like here, something like that, you can get stuff like that happening. But overall, this does look very strong. I would be happy to try and trade on a new day. Like if you buy right now, mm, I mean, I just don't like to buy right now. What if it did roll over or whatever? I would prefer to trade the new 3 day. But yes, it looks like real strength, and the relative strength in this is potentially very powerful. However, I can't advise buying it right now. Could it just go parabolic? I mean, it probably could, but uh, it's not worth taking that risk, in my opinion. But this is definitely one of the coins to be watching to see if we can get a second day up at this point, but also be cautious and be wary that this large volume here may want to maybe sell the price off or something, for a retrace, a bit like here. So it's definitely a coin potentially in play. We need to be reactive to the situation.